25W fast charging. Comes with a silicone protective case, sleeve on USB-C charging cable. Let's see if this adapter can reach 25W. It seems that it cannot run at 25W. Don't worry, we'll connect it to the device for testing voltage and continue the experiment. It can be seen that the instrument display indicates it can run at full power of 25 watts. Could it be that there's a problem with the adapter? Continue to plug in the adapter for testing. It can be seen that the adapter can actually handle up to 25W. It can charge tablets, headphones, and any devices that support the Lightning protocol. It can charge iPad, AirPods, and any devices that support the Lightning protocol.